Thank you, baby. I love you so much.
Love you, baby. Baby's one. How's baby? Magulo? I love you, man. See you, huh? April 30th. This is around 12:01 p.m. Update here. Nasi Grace. Cervix is 5 cm as of earlier. Parang ayaw palabas ni baby, although makulit na sa loob. And we're hoping for the baby to be delivered like in the afternoon. Sana, hopefully, or this mid-afternoon. So si Grace updated to me na medyo he's in pain right now. Please pray for her as well. That's it. So update. Doktora told me na for 5 hours 6 cm pa yung cervix ni Grace. So CS na. So CS na binigay option sa amin para malabas na si baby. So yun, Grace agreed to it, and I also signed a waiver form. So prayers lang. Dito pa ako sa room. Hello po. Okay, sige. I'll go down now. Okay, thank you. Thank you. And then yung baby.
Oh my God!
Mukha ka ba?
Di ba kamukha niya?
Photo mo.
Kamukha mo siya. Sino mo siya? Gising na gising. Kanina umiiyak ka. Ayun na daddy mo.
Hello.
Uy, ang cute naman ang baby na yan.
Iyak siya. Smiling ka, baby.
Kunin mo yung crib para pakita natin yung ano ni baby. May crib ba dyan? Walang crib? Ay, nasa warmer pa kasi siya. Oo nga eh.
Zoem, baby.
Alam niya yung voice eh.
Baby Zoem, hello.
Oy, hello daw. Napakinig.
Hello.
Ano ka ng isang malaking bata, no? Nakikinig.
Nakikinig siya. Baby.
Kaya nga, di ba yung ibang bata lagi nakapikit? Kung hindi mo pa. Hello, Zoem.
Hello, Zoem.
Hi. Oh, ayan